3.
Welcome back to our channel. This is Kaizen Communications, and this is the third episode of Demystifying Digital Marketing. The first episode we talked about domain registration, and in the second episode we discussed the two types of websites that we currently have in the market, where we talked about static and dynamic websites. Now let's assume you've registered your domain and you've hosted your website after developing it. What is the next thing you need to do? Now, there's what we call search engine optimization. Now, I'll describe it in a layman's language. Let's assume you have a business in the market where you have so many other people selling the same thing in the same market. How do you distinguish yourself so that anybody coming to the market in search of your product is able to find you and buy from you? There are different factors you need to consider. Number one can be your positioning, like how you position yourself in the market. Are you on the first row? Are you on the second row? And if you're on the second row, are you along the aisle of the market? Because that is how people buy. You just look at the first thing and buy. Basically, those people are very fast, like those people want to save time in terms of buying. You have to factor in so many other things. So when it comes to the online platform or websites and different systems online, that is what we call search engine optimization. Basically, it's just helping your site be visible to people who are looking for the products and the services that you're selling. So there are a number of factors you need to consider for you to have a successful process of search engine optimization, so that these search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, all those are called search engines, are able to discover your site, are able to index your site, and are able to rank you based on the relevance of people who are searching using a certain keyword phrase. So an example could be, if we are having a digital marketing agency and somebody searches for one of the services we offer, for example, website development. So for example, responsive website development. I search for responsive website development on the search engine. How does Google interpret that? Google will look at the crawled websites that it has indexed in its storage, and based on how that website has been optimized, it will rank the websites based on the relevance to that particular keyword phrase that the user typed on the search engine. So if I optimized my website, for example, with a phrase like search engine optimization in Kenya, and I've used that so well in terms of optimizing every page within our website with that particular keyword phrase, and somebody searches for that online, Google will look at all the websites that are available with that particular search phrase and will be able to link the most relevant, starting from the most relevant to the least relevant with regards to what the user has typed. So you need to do your keyword research very well. And Google actually offers you a keyword research tool where, if you don't know the volume that a keyword phrase gets in terms of search, you're able to just go and type in the keyword. For example, if it's search engine optimization, just type search engine optimization. Then it will list all those keyword phrases you can use and the volume that all those keyword phrases get in terms of users searching for them. So keyword research is very important for you before you even start the process of optimizing your site, because it actually enables you to get the proper keyword phrases to use within your site. The next thing you also need to consider is what we call content also within your site. And this content is part of what we call on-site optimization. There is what we call content. You have to have high quality content that answers to the queries that people are asking when it comes to your website's functionality. So if the service you're doing is digital marketing, or you're selling a product, for example, this pen, the content has to be relevant to that, so that if somebody is searching for a query, the content within your website answers that particular query. You also need to consider a lot of factors: the headers, the internal links, the anchor text. You also need to consider how you redirect your website, especially for pages that have been changed, how you do image optimization within the website, and there are different factors that maybe we can talk about later if you need more information with regards to on-site optimization. The other thing you also need to consider is what we call link building. And in link building, we have two types. There is the external links, that is, we're talking about backlinks here, you're getting links from other sites to your site. And there is what we call internal links, links just within your website that direct somebody to a different page but still within your website. So be very careful of how you link, because link building has also its own downfall, especially when it comes to the websites you link to and websites that link to you. Because if you find a website whose reputation is lower than yours, and it links to you and you also link to them, it will actually do you a disservice instead of the service that you are actually looking for. So there are different things you also need to look at in terms of how your website loads. Does it load that fast? The conversion rate of your website, how you scroll down, the depth of your website, and all these things actually put together will actually factor in when it comes to your search engine optimization. Now, for those people who might be interested in search engine optimization, especially for the websites, you've developed your website, you have a domain, you've registered your domain, and you now want your website to be visible to people, you can call us on 0797 333 251 or 0737 141 968, or you can find us on our social media platforms on Instagram, SkyZoneKE, Facebook, SkyZone, Twitter, SkyZoneKE, on YouTube, our channel is called SkyZone Communications. You can always find us there. And you can also visit us in our offices at Unique Power Arcade, just here at Yuko's in Kitengela, 4th floor, suite number 45. Now for those people, I want actually to take this opportunity to also thank the people that we had asked to at least support us in our visit this weekend to Heritage of Hope, Children's Hope, in Sabaki that we'll be visiting. So thanks for the support that we've received. So many people have donated clothes, guys have donated foodstuffs and all that. So we'll do a video about that and we'll be able to showcase all of you. So thanks a lot. Those people are still willing to help these guys. As I said, we're not taking any cash. If you want cash, we can give you the numbers directly that belong to the children's home, so that you can send the money there. For us, we're just taking items there on Saturday on 15th of August. So thanks a lot for the support. Those who are willing to support, you can still support. Until next time, when we're talking about search engine optimization or something else, maybe we'll talk about social media or another topic based on the feedback we'll get. Right now, just subscribe to this channel to get more of these videos as we keep demystifying digital marketing and the technical terms and the technical aspect of it. Thanks a lot, and God bless.